Hey lovely people, we're going to do some unboxing today. So I have just received my Hedgehog Hollow kit for August, which has been delayed by customs. However, let's see what I've got. I'm really excited about this, so I cannot wait to get in and find out what I've got, if I can open it the right way up. So, in here I have a lovely little tissue package, which we're going to open and see what we've got. And then later on I am going to have a play. So please excuse the painty hands and the noise, because I have been painting downstairs. So I have a nice little card which tells me what I've got in my August box. What's this? Hedgehog Hollow bag, canvas bag, which will be very handy actually. So we have some ink in black. I'm going to have a quick open up, see what we've got here. Yep, just a black ink pad, so that's going to be good fun for me. 3 alcohol markers. More alcohol markers and more alcohol markers, because you know they're the best. So I'm going to have to play with those. My husband will inevitably steal this from me because he's got a sweet tooth and it's ridiculous like that. So 2 rounds of stamps, all flowers. So I've got Just Because You're Amazing, Thinking of You. I have some little dots and some leaves. So I reckon I can have a really cool mixed media piece with this. I also have, let's say, vellum sheets. I love vellum so much, it's ridiculous. I've got the tissue paper, which I can have a play with. Some nice smooth cardstock. Pink, nice little coral, a yellow and a blue. Envelopes to put my cards in, and some cards. So I'm going to have a play with this and I'm going to see what I come out with, but I'm really looking forward to playing with this, especially since it's taken a little while to arrive and get through customs. So this is going to be so much fun for me. Now, before I disappear, I'm going to have a quick look at these markers. Nuvo markers. So I have plenty of alcohol markers kicking around in the house, but I like to do a little test card of everything first. So we have that, which is pink grapefruit, tiger lily, and then the red, which is plum tomato. Oh yeah, that's that is a really nice corally colour. And then greens. See what we get here. That one's a Persian lime, pea pod, yeah. And finally, vine leaf, which is the dark one. And I also have my blending. So excuse the racket whilst my neighbours decide to run around the place with random. There we go. What have I got there? So I've got a blending pen, which I'm going to leave to one side. Nice black, because everybody needs a black. And a feather grey. Now I like using greys because they make for great shadow. I'm going to have so much fun with this. So that's what I've got, and I will see you soon when I have a proper play with them and see what I create. So I will see you soon. Take care.